Tally Robo-advisor for Investing Honest Review. Watch before using. Tally's Robo-advisor for Investing is designed to automate and optimize your portfolio with minimal effort. Unlike traditional robo-advisors focused on long-term wealth building, Tally is primarily known for its credit card management services. Its investment feature is built for users looking to grow wealth while managing debt, making it a unique option. Tally's automated investing focuses on low-cost, diversified portfolios, rebalancing automatically to keep your investments aligned with your goals. The platform uses algorithms to allocate funds efficiently, prioritizing low-fee index funds and ETFs. However, it's not as customizable as other robo-advisors, meaning advanced investors may feel restricted. This service is best for individuals who want a hands-off approach to investing while also working on paying down credit card debt. If you're someone looking for highly customizable strategies, tax loss harvesting, or alternative asset classes, Tally might not be the best fit. One key downside is that it lacks retirement account options like IRAs, limiting its usefulness for long-term investors. Fees are another factor. While Tally's debt management tools come with a cost, its investment service has competitive pricing, though it may not be the cheapest option available. Security-wise, Tally ensures encryption and fraud protection, making it a safe platform for financial management. However, customer support can be hit or miss, with users reporting slow responses at times. So, is Tally's robo-advisor worth it? If you're already using Tally for credit card debt management and want a simple, automated way to invest, it's a convenient option. But if you're looking for the best performing or most feature-rich robo-advisor, competitors like Betterment or Wealthfront might be better choices.